Thank you for tuning in. I wanted to just share a quick update on the Tello progress. Currently, the DroneBlocks for Tello version is now in the App Store, so be sure to check that out. And also want to mention something cool about the latest firmware for Tello. Now, this is version 01.03.01.03. That's correct. That's kind of a weird version number, but that's the latest and greatest. And as part of that, and what you'll get in the latest version of DroneBlocks is a Fly XYZ block that will allow us to tell Tello to go to an XYZ coordinate based on inches or centimeters. Let me demonstrate what this block does. So we have a Fly X 20 inches, Y 20 inches, and Z 20 inches. I'll go ahead and launch this mission. See Tello kind of fly up and to the right. Now let me go ahead and change this to a -20 because it supports negative values. Now I have the Fly XYZ in negative coordinates. I'll launch the mission. It brings Tello back. So be sure to check that out in the App Store. We also have online curriculum. If you're interested in learning about programming or want to share with your kids or students, the curriculum is pretty awesome. There are 8 lessons. We'll put a link to it below. And many have asked about Android support. Android development is currently underway. We'll probably be in beta within the next week. If you guys are interested, please join our Facebook group, and I'd love to get you on the beta and get feedback. Now, I'm not actually going to demonstrate yet because we still have some bugs to work out, but I know many of you over time have asked about Android support for DroneBlocks. Now, it will just be DroneBlocks for Tello. We're working on DroneBlocks for DJI Phantom, Spark, Mavic Pro, and Inspire 1. We figured it made sense to go with Tello first because we can use it indoors and do a lot of testing. So just wanted to share that quick update. If you guys have any questions or comments, please post them below. Until next time, thanks for watching.